Okay, so we're going to set up our Windows 11 machine for the first time. Obviously, we want to select Australia. Yours may differ slightly in screen layouts here due to which manufacturer has installed Windows for you. US is our typical keyboard layout. No, we don't need to add another layout. All right, here is where the critical part is. Whilst this does suggest that it wants you to set up for work or school, we highly recommend you don't use your school account here. Otherwise, it ties your device to the Department for Education for the life of the machine. We much prefer you to create a personal Microsoft account here. If you already have one, go ahead and use it. Otherwise, you feel free to go and make one. Feel free to have a read of these privacy settings and make your choice on which ones you wish to have on or off. For this demo, I am just going to leave them all as default and click accept. You can take your choice whether you set up the Windows Hello options or not. It's not a bad idea to. You can see I've used my school's account here for this video, even though I've advised most of the time not to. I'm not going to do this for now. I'm going to select skip for now. And you can see at this point that I am now in Windows 11. Depending on your device manufacturer, you may see some extra setup prompts here. I can't advise what they might be. Every brand can be different, but this is the default setup done.